Good morning and welcome to your Zenful Heart Quick Morning Reset. Before the day begins, before the notifications, the to-do lists, the demands and the noise, this moment is yours. Just a few minutes for you. Find a comfortable position, sitting upright if you can, with your feet flat on the floor and your hands resting gently on your thighs. Take a moment to sit tall, to feel the length of your spine, and allow your shoulders to roll back and down. Close your eyes softly, and take your first conscious breath of the day. Breathe in slowly through your nose, filling your lungs completely. And breathe out through your mouth, releasing the heaviness of sleep, making room for a new day. Again, breathe in, drawing in fresh energy, fresh possibility. And out, letting go of anything that doesn't serve you today. One more time, a deep, complete breath in, and a long, slow exhale. Good. You are awake. You are here. And this day is full of potential. Awakening the body. Now let's gently wake up the body. Without opening your eyes, take a slow breath in. And as you do, roll your shoulders up toward your ears. And as you breathe out, let them drop completely. Feel the release. Again, shoulders up on the inhale, and down and back on the exhale, opening the chest, lifting the heart. Now gently tilt your head to the right, letting the weight of your head stretch the left side of your neck. Breathe here for a moment. And slowly bring your head back to center. And tilt to the left, breathing into the right side of the neck. And back to center. Take a moment to notice how your body feels. Not judging, just noticing. Perhaps there is some stiffness, some tiredness left over from sleep. That is okay. You are waking up. You are arriving into this new day, gently and with intention. Let's set your intention. Now bring your awareness to your heart center, that place in the middle of your chest. Put one hand there if that feels right. Take a slow breath in, and feel your chest rise beneath your hand. And breathe out. Now it is time to think of one word. Just one word that you want to carry with you into this day. It might be something like calm, or strength, or presence, or love, or clarity. Whatever word rises naturally for you, trust it. That is the word your soul is asking for today. Hold it in your mind now. Breathe in and silently say that word to yourself. And breathe out, letting it settle into every cell of your body. This is your intention for today, not a goal, not a task, just a quality of being that you are choosing to bring with you. Breathe in your word one more time. And breathe out, feeling it anchor into you. Before you open your eyes, I want you to take a moment to appreciate yourself for being here. You chose to start your day with intention, with stillness, with breath. That is a gift you have given yourself, and it matters. Whatever this day brings, challenges, surprises, moments of beauty, you are ready. You are grounded. You have already set your compass. Take one final deep breath in and a long, complete exhale. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Have a beautiful morning. You've got this. Thank you for joining us for your Zenful Heart Quick Morning Reset. If this helped you start your day with intention, please like and subscribe. New resets, sleep stories and yoga nidra practices every week, made with love. Have a beautiful day.